What's good, Relentless gang? You know who it is, man. It's your boy, Mr. Relentless Lex, and I'm back with another one. Yes, sirski.
Did you realize that you were a champion?
Alright, so you guys, we got Lynyrd Skynyrd. It's called Free Bird. My first time hearing it, it was suggested to me through my Instagram DM. We're gonna check it out. Let's get it. Intro and slide guitar solo. Okay, cool. Is my volume up? Yeah. And this is the lyric video, by the way. Nice little groove. Bro, I could freestyle off that right there. That's a nice little groovy little beat right there, bro. Smooth, mellow, perfect Sunday reaction. At first, I thought it was going to be like a funeral type song, because he started off saying, but if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. Because I'm as free. No, that's the wrong one. My bad. I was like, nah, that ain't what I got from that part. I jumped my gun. He said, if I leave here tomorrow, will you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, because there's too many places I've got to see. He's saying he's leaving the woman and he's going to move on and start traveling. He want to go see places. He want to do things that he's never done before. Probably because he was trying to please her and stay in the house and be a goody two-shoe. But then she ended up leaving him anyway, probably.
Places I've got to see.
He said, I'm free as a bird, soaring all over the world, seeing places and doing things. He said, you can't stop me. Nothing can stop me. I'm free as a bird. I'm not going to let anything on God's green earth stop me from soaring high and elevating. He's speaking on elevating. Oh, I love this guitar solo. slide guitar solo. Now, I do not know how to play the guitar, but if I could, this would be the first song I want to learn, bro. I promise you.
Bye, bye, baby, it's the sweet love. Yeah.
He's saying bye-bye, baby. It's been sweet love. Bye.
Feeling I can't change.
He said, I ain't turning back. I ain't looking back. I'm gone.
Please don't take it so badly. 'Cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same.
Oh, man. This is like the perfect song to listen to when you're breaking up with your person, like your other one, girl or guy, whoever you're with. I think this is like the perfect scenario song, bro. If I stay here with you, girl. Yeah.
'Cause I'm as free as a bird. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. The Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change. Won't you fly free, bird? Yeah.
Oh. 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 I love this. Yeah. I can't play a guitar, but if I could play one, I'm thinking I'm reacting like I'm doing the right notes. rocking out. Oh man, that was the best 8 minutes and 51 seconds of my life, bro. That was amazing, man. Lynyrd Skynyrd, Freebird, that was truly amazing. I thank y'all so much for watching my first reaction to Lynyrd Skynyrd. If y'all want some more Lynyrd Skynyrd down below, comment down below. If y'all want to see me do some other reactions, comment down below. This is your boy, Mr. Relentless. I probably scared y'all just now, right? You dig?